Yes, we'll see here now the next topic, fourth topic in sequences and series, that is common terms in two or more APs. Common terms in two APs, if the common terms also will make an AP, in that the LCM of the common difference of D1 and D2. So the common difference for the both the terms together, if we take a LCM, that will be the common difference of the new sequence here, which is the common terms. So here is also the same thing. If it is a 3 APs, then D1, D2, D3 is the common difference of the 3 APs. For 3 of them's LCM will be the common difference of the new AP. So we'll do some problems, then we'll understand clearly about this. So here is one problem. So we'll do it this problem, then you'll be getting clarity about the topic which we discussed. The topic it is. So now here the two sequences is given. The common terms in that the first common term is 31. So the starting term of this is 31. So A will be 31 in this. Now common difference we want to find it. So the common difference, as I told you, D is the LCM of D1 and D2. So D1 in this common difference is what? LCM of D1. In the first series, D1 is what here? The common difference is 10. And the second term, common difference is a 5. So these two are the common differences. LCM of this both is what? Here it is 10. So common difference is here 10. And the first term is 31. So in this now they are asking the largest term common to the sequences. So this series again makes another series in that the largest term they are asking us, the last term. So the last term means we'll see based on this series only we are going to get that series also, the common series also we are going to get it. So in this the last term we'll check. Okay, it's 1000 is the 1000 terms. What is the last term? We don't know. Not 1000, it's 100. So I don't know what is the last term. So we'll find it in that. So the first term, first AP is A is equals to 1 and the common difference is 10. So AN is equals to AN values we have to find it. So in this A plus N minus 1 into D. So 1 plus 100 term minus 1 into D is 100. So here 1 plus 99 into 10. So 999. So here it is 991 is the last term in this the first series. Then the second AP. Then in the second AP, what is the second AP? What is the first term in that? It is first 31 and the common difference is 5. Then if AP, like last term, if I want to find it, 100th term, so 31 plus 100 minus 1 is 99, 99 fives are 99 fives. So how much it is? 99 5. 990 if I tens and by 2 450. 400 and not 50, 490. Is it correct? 990 by 2. So 900 is 450, 90 is 45. So 495. 31 plus 495. If I add this both, then how much it is? It is 526 is the last term. So which one is the smallest? This one. So the common one, so this will be the last. So in this only we'll take it as the new term, the common series, the largest will be less than this one. So here will AN is less than or equals to 526. So in that we'll substitute, we'll find the n value, or else we'll find n value and the last term we'll find it in this. So what is the A value here for the 31 and then D value is 10. So we'll substitute in that. AN is equals to 31 plus n minus 1 into D is less than or equals to 526. So now So if I send n minus 1 is less than or equals to 526 minus 31 by 10, n minus n is equals to 35, subtract, it will be 496 minus 1 495 by 495.5, then plus 1. If I do it, n is equals to 50.5, so it's a less than or equals to, then n is always a natural number, then n is equals to the highest term is a 50. So n is 50. Now the highest value will find it. So a 50th term is the highest value, the largest value. So what is this? 31 plus 50 minus 1 is 49. 49 into 10, 490. So if I add it, 521 is your answer. Yeah, same question, same like this only. We have another question. I'll just write it. Then you people can try in this, so we can go faster. 16th question based on the same pattern. This is an easy question actually. So we'll do the easy, then little harder question. So I'll just write a question in this. Just see. Let you people can try this. Let 3, 6, 9, 12, so on, up to 70th term. 70th term, and I think you may be getting confused. I'll write it clearly a little more. It was so congested here. I'll write it clearly again. Let 3, 6, 9, 12 up to 78 terms, and 5, 9, 13, 17 up to 59 terms. B2 series, then the sum of terms common to both series is equal to. Yeah, I think you can't see the question. Yeah, can you able to see the question here? So let this series is given, first series, and the second series is given. Then the sum of the terms and common to the both the series is asking. So what we can do in this, we'll take a term in the both. A term is what here? 9 is a term, and the common difference how you'll find? We'll take LCM of the first D and the second term D. Will find it, and A and D we got it. The same thing, first term the last value we are going to find it by keeping n as a 78, and the second series also the value last n is 59. We'll keep it, and whichever is the last like least value, that will be, we'll take it as a less than that of the common series. So in that less than, we are going to find the n value, and after finding the n value, then here they're asking us to find the sum of the terms. So here I just find it the lastest term, but they are asking in the sum of the terms. So sum of the terms means we're going to find, we'll substitute in the SN formula. That's it. This is a problem. So if you'll try this one, then we'll go to the next problem. Yeah, here is another question. The sum of the common terms of the following these arithmetic progressions. So 3 series they have given us, and we need to find a value, and then value, D value, common difference. Then the series, the sum of all the series, the common terms we need to find it. So first of all, here to find a value is a little difficult one. To find a value is difficult one in this actually. So to find that, how can we do here? First of all, so can you able to see any common here? No. So we don't know how to calculate and find it. So we will have another method so that we can easily find the common method. First of all, we'll take this a in formula. A of this is how much? A is in this is 3 plus n minus 1 into d is how much? It's a common difference, then 4. Yes, so if this particular term will be equals to the second series. So in the second series, what is a 2 plus, we'll take it here as an m minus 1 into common difference is 3. Then is equals to 2 plus mn r minus 1 into 5. So this particular term will be the equal term. So we'll compare this two and then this two will compare it and we'll try to find it out a term, a value. So here 3 plus n minus 1 into 4 is equals to 2 plus m minus 1 into. So can I make it, can I send 2 that side? If I send that side, it will be a minus 1. So 2 if I send it here, yeah, then I'll send 3 that side, it is a minus 1 plus 3m minus 3. So 4 if I send it there, 4 if I send it, minus 1 plus this minus and this is minus 4 plus 3m by 4 plus 1 if I add it, plus 1, then how much it will be? Plus 1 shall I keep it like that only? By 4 minus 1. So n is equals to 4 minus 4 is minus 8. So here it is 3m minus 8 by 4. Yes. Now you need to find a value in this. And the same way this both I'm going to compare it. So if I compare this both, what I'm going to get, 2 will gets cancelled. M minus 1 of 3 is equals to R minus 1 of 5. So R I'll write this side. Then R minus 1 is equals to M minus 1 of 3 by 5. Then minus 1 if I send that side, R is equals to 3M minus 3 minus 5 by 5. So the answer R is equals to 3m minus 8 by 5. Okay, now we need to take particular term which will be makes a real number in the both the situation. Makes n as a real number, sorry, not real number, it's a natural number. So we'll just see here what number we can keep it here. Suppose if I keep it 1, 3 ones are 3 minus 5 by 4 is not a natural number. Then 2 if I take it to 3 is 6 minus is minus 2 by 4, but not 3 is a 9 minus 8 is 1 by 4. Then 4 3 is a 12 minus 8. Then 4 you will be getting. 4 and 4 will get cancelled and n value will be 1. So natural number you're getting. So we'll check m is equals to 4 in this also. So whether natural number we're going to get or not, we'll see it. 4 3 is a 12, 12 minus 8 is 12 minus 8 is a 4, but 4 by 5, it's not a natural number. Then we'll check again 8 3 is a 24, 8 3 is a 24 minus 8, if I do it, it's a 16 by 5, can't do it. Then 16 we'll see, 16 3 is a 30, 42 minus 8, 42 minus 8 is, I need to check clearly actually, 42, 16 3 is 18, sorry. So 3 8s are 16, 3 1s are 3, 4. So 48 minus 8 by 5 is a 40. Okay. So when I substitute 16, I'm going to get a natural number. So m is what here? M is the value is 16. So like this, it's not buttifying. It's generally you are going to understand. general concept it is to find easily how we are going to find it the value of a. So here if I take m value as 16, then I'll get a value of a. So m value if I substitute in this, then I'll get n value as 1, and 1 if I substitute here, then I'm going to get a value. Then m value if I substitute here, then I'll get a value of 8 rs, then I can substitute this, then I'll get a value. So instead of substituting here and there, I can directly substitute a value over here. So that is 2 plus m is 16 minus 1 into 3. So that is 2 plus 53 is a 45. Then 48 is your a value. A is 48. A value is 48 here. Then common difference is LCM of the first term. First difference is what? 4. And the second difference is 3. Then the third difference is 5. So the common difference of this all is, there is no common term. So all if you multiply, that's a 60. So the common difference is 60 here. So you got a value and a d value. Then they were asking, already we have the last terms here. It's not, they are not saying this is the last n value, but it is the value of it. So which one is the least one? 195. Then the common term will be less than this only. So we have this one, then less than that, we'll substitute it. Then n value, let me find it. A is how much in this? 48. 48 plus n minus 1 into d is 60, z is less than or equals to 197. So here we find n value, and then we'll sum of the terms we have to find it. That's it. It's 48 if I send that side, n minus 1 is less than or equals to 197 minus 48. 45 remove 150, 85 remove 149. 149 by 60. 149 by 60. Then 1 if I send that side, n is less than or equals to plus. So 149 plus 60 by 60. Then 209 by 60. So if I divide it, 61s are 62s are 12, 16 3s are 3. And then next is how much you're going to get here in value as 148, 49. Yes. So do I'm doing correct here? Let me check. 197 minus 48 if I subtract. Yeah. 9. Then it is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 194 correct only. Then if I send minus 1 plus 1 plus that, if I divide it, so 60 if I divided by 209, 63 is a 180. So 29 is 0.0 something, we'll be getting that 3 point something, the round figure is 3, n value is 3 if I take it. Then here are the 3 terms only. So Sn value, Sn is equals to how much? Sn is equals to how much here? A is 48 plus 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 into 60. 2 into 60 is 120. If I add it up this, then 168 is your answer. Done? It's so easy, but only the thing is here you have to find the m value. That's only the concept over here. Then we have a same question of it. We'll do it. We'll do the problem. Okay? I thought to give a question, but we'll do the problem that. Yeah. So here is a question. Same like before question, but the given of the pattern of the question is different. So it's they particularly, they did not give a series, but they gave AP of the A. Here is a term and this is a common difference. So A first term and the common difference, first term and common difference, first term and common difference they gave. And finally after common of this all is another series. So in that series they're asking us to find us some of the first 4 terms of AP, A and D. So now we'll have to find the same way what we have done before. The same way we need to find the value of A. So I think we have remembered that N, M, R values to compare. So here also we're going to take, in this the first series 1 plus n minus 1 into 4 is equals to 1 plus m minus 1 into 5 is equals to 3 plus r minus 1 into 3. So if I compare this both, one will get cancelled. N minus 1 4 is equals to n minus 1 by 1 into 5. So here n minus 1 is equals to 5m minus 5 and by 5 by 4, and minus 1 if I send over there, it will be a plus 1, and then plus 4 by 4 is. So n is equals to 5 minus 5m minus 5m minus 1 by 4. N is equals to, yeah. Then if I compare this both the terms, then 1 if I send it that side, it will be a 2, then or else 3 will send this side, then it will be a minus 2 plus m minus 1 means 5m minus 5 by 3 is equals to r minus 1. Minus 1 if I send it here, plus 1 means plus 3 minus 2 plus, and then 5m minus 5 by 3 is equals to r. Then 1 minus 1 will be minus 4. 5m minus 4 by 3 r is equals to. Now we'll compare this both and we'll find the value of m. So if I keep it a 1 here, 1 will be 1 5 is a 5 minus 1 is 4 by 4 is okay. 1 is getting a chance over here, but here if I substitute for 5 minus 4 is 1 by 3, no. So if I substitute 2 to 10 minus 1 is 9, no. If I substitute 3 15 minus 1, 15 minus 1 is 14, we can't cancel it. Then again 4 if I substitute, for 4 is a so yeah, if I substitute 4 5 is a 20 minus 1 24, 20 minus 1 is 19. I think somewhere it's gone. Actually this between only we need to get it. Divided anywhere wrong. 1 cancelled and 5m minus 5, and then 4 is divided and minus 4, then 5m minus 1 by 4, and here 5m 5m here is minus 7 and plus 3. Minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. Minus 4 is over there. Then yeah, I get correct, I guess. 4. Then I think somewhere I'm doing mistake. 3 4s are 12 minus 5 yeah. 1 second, I'll just see what happened here. Yeah, the same thing. I got confused, but 5 if I substitute 5 is 25 minus 1 is 24, then divided by 4 is okay, then 5 is here, 25 minus 1 is absolutely, it's correct. M is equals to 5 here. Then 5 if I substitute in this, I'm going to get a value of A. Okay, so 1 plus 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 5 is 20, so your answer is A is equals to 21. Yes, 21 is your A value, and the common difference D is LCM of all the common difference 4 5 3. So the same thing, 4 5 3 is equals to 60. So D is a 60 value, A is a 21. Now some of the first 4 terms they were asking us to find. Sum of the first 4 times. So S4 is equals to A is sum of. I think before I did a wrong sum of, right? Yeah, so you can make it a correct. So Sn value is n by 2. So I think before problem I did A in formula. So you can make it a correct over there. So here is n by 2. N is how much here? 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Then 2A. 2A is 42. Then plus 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 into 60. 3 into 60 is 180. 3 into 60 is 180. So now 180 plus this is 222. 222 twos are 222 twos are 444. Is it correct answer? Yes, it's a correct answer.